Go in half a tree and ask a windscreen wiper guy to buy you a juice. And if him buy it, give him $1,000. Done.
Yo, you. Do me a favor now. Huh? Yeah, I wait for my brother, see? And I'm like, Teresa kill me. You appreciate like you let me?
Okay, what I do for that?
Yeah.
What I do for that?
Yeah, how do you respect? Yo, I appreciate that.
You give me that treat, so I have to look up to you.
You would give me the $100 without hesitating.
But I saw this volunteer and I had to beg because of course she's not allowed to do much, and she actually gave me some money to take one of the taxis that affiliate with the whole games, and that's how I was able to get to the warm-up track at the stadium and with enough time to warm up to compete, and that's just awesome. So I'm gonna find her this morning and show her my gold medal that I was able to get because she helped. So I think that's a nice gesture. I'm on the bus now to the Sea Forest Waterway, where I will find the Good Samaritan that helped me day before yesterday, to get to the stadium for my semi-finals. So I made it back to the waterway and I already found her. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, I'm gonna talk to her. I'm sure she doesn't realize that I'm here and I'm standing right next to her. Sienna, remember me?
Oh, you can. Hi. You can really?
Yes,
Thank
I
you.
am back to repay you and show you something. You were instrumental in me getting to the final that day.
Really? Really? You
Yes.
got this?
I won. That's just because you helped me
Thank you.
to get to the stadium. Yes, so I took a shirt for you as well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I hope it fits.
Really for
Extra
me?
small, yes.
Thank you.
And I took back your money
Oh, thank you. Sorry, uncle. ちょっと待って。Wow, wow, wow.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.